Hello, beautiful besties. Welcome back to Down for Glam. What you're seeing here is the finished result and what inspired me to create this on my nails, which is the Betsey Johnson ready-to-wear dress from 2016. It's from her collection from 2016. It's her spring-summer ready-to-wear collection. Specifically that dress. I was inspired by the stripes, the print on top of the stripes, the colors. Just honestly, if that was in my collection, I don't know that I would ever wear anything else. I love Betsey Johnson. And so today we are going to channel her and put that on a set of nails. And if I do say so myself, I think I pulled it off. Think I did it, you guys. Right now what I'm doing is struggling to get these last couple of gems off this nail. Here we go. It's going to come any second. Come on, one more shot. Come on, and lift off. Lift off. This one was really on there. What's so funny, guys, is I usually lose a lot of gems from my right hand because I am right-handed. So on top of being an inspiration video today, we are doing a non-dominant video. Now we're moving on to some more prep. And I'm not going to show it all, you guys. Just sporadic bits and pieces of me prepping my nails. We are removing the polish right now, getting down to that surface. So awesome. I love this drill. Thank you to my friend who helped me out with that. We're removing the dust. Now we are pushing back our cuticles so we can get ready for fills. I do want to tell you that I do file off all of this color before I put my actual fills on. I just don't show that. There's plenty of things that are cut out of this video because, guys, working with my non-dom, it is so time consuming. It takes hours to do these nails. This process was completed over a 2-day period. Many things done in between. I actually had to go shopping with my nails half done. So, you know, you do what you gotta do and you just get it done. Now, I have decided to reshape these. We are gonna go for an almond shape. So I'm just taking those corners down and I'm debulking quite a bit of that with the drill just to make it a tiny bit easier. And you can see there the shape I'm going for because I have already filed a couple of those into shape. Now, guys, I did want to apologize for less videos this week real quick. We're refining that shape with... I was afraid to go try to do the point with the drill because I knew I would shorten the nail too far. So I'm just finishing that up with the hand file, which, as you can see, went pretty quick. This is only double time, so honestly, not that big of a deal. But again, I want to apologize for the lack of videos this week. It takes a long time for me to get my nails done. I had a lot of errands to do. It's the beginning of the month. I am trying to get ready for my trip to Las Vegas, plus get stuff done for the house. You know, rent paid, electricity paid, internet paid, just all the bills and all the errands and the first of the month nonsense had to get done, and I had to get voted and just so much stuff. So there you go. So there was just no way that I was going to get my nails done, and my nails were looking rough and ragged. So I just cannot be running around with raggedy nails if I have something I can do about it. So it's just going to be my nails for the rest of the week. We're going to finish this one today. I'm going to work on my other hand today. I'm going to try really hard to get that up for you guys tomorrow. If I don't, it'll be Friday. And if I don't get it up till Friday, it'll be only 3 videos this week. If I can get it up tomorrow, I will do another video for Friday. So that's the schedule. Now we have prepped and primed and cleaned and shaped. We're going in with some top coat. And we're cleaning up the top coat. It's hard with your non-dominant hand. My nail sisters and brothers, I know you understand. Whatever binary classification you identify with, I know that you feel my struggle when you're doing your non-dominant hand. We all have that struggle. So, although I must say, I'm starting to get a little better. I'm getting better. And this set gave me so much happy vibes. I just cannot say enough about how much I love this set. I am going to say that I could have shaped that index finger a tiny bit better, because once I get all of the polish on, it's a little, the apex is a little tiny bit too high, and it bothers me. I'm sure other people don't notice it when they see my hands, but as you look at things, you're not sitting there and studying every little tiny minute detail to my fingers like I would. I'm just going to show you this one nail. All I did was normal stuff, guys. Slip layer down. Now I'm coming in, doing the fill. And you know, when I do fills, I like to come all the way down the nail because the drill can leave divots and whatnot. I'm not a professional. So I just like to make sure I have a really clean, smooth surface. And that's why you see me not just doing at the top. I really like to smooth all the way down. And I was unhappy with how it looked. So I'm just coming in with a tiny bit more just to fill out, right? Because I'm going for that almond shape. And so I felt like the side was just a tiny bit off. I wasn't quite happy with the shaping. We're going to hold that upside down, let it blend together. Now that everything is finished, I'm going to show you one nail. I did not feel like I needed to use my drill. It wasn't a full set. There was not a lot of debulking to do. I just came in and smoothed everything out with a hand file. And then I do off camera, I'm positive I did not put it in here, but I always go over everything with my buffing block just to make it as smooth as possible. And you know your girl is obsessed with base coat. So I do a base coat as well and just get that ready for whatever polish is going to go on top. And in today's case, it's 3 different colors of polish plus some stamping in black. So we're going to get to that really soon. Really soon. And we're just refining that shape. This is my normal filing routine, just up the side walls, over the top, and I like to really round over the top. I don't like to stay in straight motions. I like to really round it. Now here is where we're bulking up the nail a little bit, because this yellow actually is not as opaque as you would want it to be. As you can see there, you really see through it. So to get the color I wanted, and honestly, I don't feel like on the ring finger I achieved it, but we blinged it up, so it's okay. You don't really notice it because the bling sort of catches your eye more than the yellow, which is saying something because that's some yellow. That's a pretty yellow. But you're going to see I'm going to spend a little time just building that up there with color, and I think that's where some of my bulk is coming from on that nail. So oopsity doopsity on the shaping there. You can see it's a tiny bit too bulky. Now I'm going to come in and clean up that bottom bit just to make it nice and straight. I am only going to show me striping one nail because it is tedious. It was the thing that took the longest in this set besides all the failed stamping that I did. And I'm going to tell you guys before, when you do something like this, I tried to just put some base coat down and then stamp on that. I didn't like it. And I'm going to tell you it's because I couldn't clean up any extra messes. And you do your best to get it off of the head when you're stamping, but sometimes you miss something or you think you got it and there's just a shadow there and you missed that. And that will end up on your nail and it will leave a shaded, dirty look. And so when you go to clean it up, when you don't have a smooth surface or you have used base coat, it just sticks to that. So what I ended up having to do was file all the base coat off and clean up anything that I ruined the color, and then top coat and then come back and base coat. So it was a huge mess, but it was also a big learning experience for me. I just, you know what? Stamp on top of top coat. It just makes a difference. It's a cleaner stamp. Everything about it is better. I like stamping on top coat. So if you're looking for a stamping recommendation from me, That is one of my biggest ones. Just stamp on top of top coat and then re-top coat after you've stamped it. Now we're going to make the thumbnail pink, because when you do see the inspiration photo at the beginning, and you can click back to that, I forgot to put it in the reveal shots, but it'll also be part of the thumbnail. Oh wow, I totally lost myself. Guys, I forgot what I was saying. I'm going to leave this in. I was like, oh no, now I have to redo the entire voiceover. But I'm just going to let it go. That's my big mistake. If you stayed to the end of this video and you heard me totally screw myself up, let me know what I was talking. I'm going to know by then, but you just say it to me. Girl, you messed up about this. I'll leave them. What was I saying, y'all? I got so distracted. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's going to be a GG mess up day. What? We're going to leave all the mess ups on this video, on this recording, because I'm going to do my nails soon and I want it to be nice and smooth and easy. Now look though, see, I think I'm going to show that I clean it up, and it's so easy to clean up because it's just on the top coat. Stamp on top coat. It makes a difference. And if it doesn't, if it has a sticky layer, make sure you clean that dispersion layer first. I will say, I wanted to mention that gel stamping polish requires a lot more scraping than regular polish does. I've just noticed that. So, and we're coming in with another stamp. I did forget to film me stamping the thumb, but I'm gonna do it like the shoes. In the picture, this is what I was saying. I think in the picture, the shoes are pink, and that's why I'm doing pink on the thumb. And they have like a leopard, or I want to say it's a leopard print, and so that's what the thumb is. It's pink with leopard print. I think that's what I was saying. Wasn't that what I was saying, y'all? Oh my God. Please tell me that you are rolling with laughter right now. So we're coming in with a giant Swarovski crystal, and it's just an A-B shift. And then on the sides of that, we are going to come in with the 2 green crystals. And I'm just making sure that that gel is up all the way around that gem, not going on top, just sort of floated around it. So it's going up on that little bevel, that little straight side, so that it will kind of hopefully keep it in there. Because funnily enough, I was able to keep all my gems on my right hand this month, and I lost some on my left hand, which is not what normally happens. I think I said that earlier. I tried to, and I got distracted again. Guys, these voiceovers, I don't even know what to say. Whoo! I don't feel like it feels natural, but it's so much more fun for me to just do my nails and watch a movie than to try to talk to you guys while I do it. I need you guys to tell me what you like better, because I want to make the channel what you like, not just what I like. Now we're coming in with a little more gel, and it oozes out enough from the sides that I was able to put a 3rd gem without putting a 3rd dollop. Because I kind of liked how the 2 looked, but I was like, no, let's stay to the rule of 3 here. So far we've got 3, 3, 3. Let's stay 3, 3, 3, and that is what we do. And because I graduated the sizes, it kind of looks to me like one of those cool shield necklaces almost. Do you know what I mean? I'm not sure if that's exactly what they're called. But, okay, I just set that there to see if I liked it. I'm going to make a big mistake right there. Oh! I had to find one of them on the floor. I saw one of them fall on the floor, and I sat there forever trying to find it, and I finally did. But, y'all, it is so easy to knock those over. Oh, my goodness. You got to be careful with your gems. But it did kind of make it easy to find exactly what I was looking for. And I just pick up the paper towel and fold it in half and hold it at the corner so that it's really skinny and I can put it down. I can pour it in. Pour it in. And now we're just fixing that up a little bit. Ooh, I love those gems. I'm going to clean it up and make sure there's no extra gel, because that gel is so stringy, y'all. And now we're coming with a little top coat on the top of that gel container. And all of the products that we used today on building my nails was also e-nail couture. And then we used a lot of different stuff, like there's some Mifa polish in there, there's some Sky polish in there, and these are all gels, of course. There's Model 1s. That's it, right? Oh, no, and Nicole Diary stamping stuff. Nicole Diary stamping. I don't know about you guys, but I really think I nailed this look. I'm not going to go ahead and be falsely modest today because I don't feel modest about this set. I can't even tell you how much I love it. I did accidentally not film me doing the rest of the top coat, so this is all the top coat time you're going to get today, and I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry. But you did get to watch me do a really cute set, and I hope you really like it. And if you did, please let me know in the comment section below, because you engaging with me on this channel is what's going to help me grow my channel. And the more we grow, the more fun we're going to have. So now we're coming in with some oil, and this is the completed set. All happy and rehydrated with a little oil on my cuticles. Oh my goodness, you guys, I absolutely love this set. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you for my other hand. Bye-bye, guys.